Welcome everyone, my name is Michael and today we'll be doing a mini flip cup into some white negative space. Now earlier today we have done the same thing into black negative space. As you can tell, it's still all over my hands. We'll go through the colors really fast as I pour into the cup. Just wanted to let you know again that there's silicone in all the colors except for the white and the black. And I did start using the gloss fluid medium from Liquitex. So that is just one drop in each one of the colors. And this time I actually did put some in with the titanium white that we're going to use for the base. So, all right, let's get to pouring right now. This is going to be great. I can't wait. So we're going to start off reverse. Now it's not going to be exact color combination we did before in the same order. It's not going to be the same, but we're going to start off with the oxide black this time on the bottom, which is going to give us some lemon yellow, a little right there. All right, we're going to do light blue. All right, we're going to do the cerulean blue hue. Now we're actually going to do titanium white here. There we go. So I want to save this turquoise green for now. Just a little bit there. And now we can use that in with our lemon yellow here. And we are going to speed it up and we'll be back. Alright guys, we're back. As you can see, I tried this different pattern out here. Put some more cerulean blue right there. Finish it off with this. Beautiful. Right. I just want to put a little bit more yellow right here. Okay. You know why? Because I do want to put just a little bit more of this right here. I don't even know if we actually put enough black in this. Just put a little bit right on the edge there. I know what's going to happen there. Fine. We'll fix that. Alright, here we go. Let's put her aside here. Ooh, so got the cerulean right here. Nice. I'm going to put down our base right now. We got the titanium white. It is a little bit thicker than the rest of everything else. Here we go. Ready, guys? I'm going to do super up high. Ooh, I'll come down. That was pretty cool. I really like that. Alright. Save a little for later. Yeah, save a little. Ooh, just missed it. Alright, here we go. Oh, wait. Forgot to pop. There are bubbles. Oh, I'm getting ahead of myself. Kind of excited about this. I like doing like follow-up or experiments. This is kind of cool. I get to see what these two are going to look like side by side. It's very nice. I'll just do a quick compilation video probably with the two together. That'd be great. Alright, here we go. And we're going to do it. 1, 2, 3, right in the middle. There we go. Beautiful. Alright, we like it. Alright, are we ready? We're going to pull up and just off, same as before. Probably do a little twist because we did do a twist before. Oh, yep, there's the twist. Here we go, and up and out. We dripped a little. It's fine. You don't have to drip as much. Oh, I like it. Oh, that is pretty. I love it, I love it, I love it. Alright. We do like the little torch. We're going to come in here. Get it with the little torch. So cells really going here. Alright, look at that. There we go. Yeah. Alright, that's beautiful. Making a mess here. Alright guys. Let's do some nice tilting here. Oh. Let's do the corners real fast. Huh? Almost forgot. See? That's why I'm not really that much into it. And remember last time it spilled off that corner. A little bit. And a little bit. We're gonna save it just in case we want to spread this out a little better. Okay, here we go. Woo. Okay, let's check this out. Oh, it looks pretty, right? Now we're gonna try to spread it out nice. I want to do nice circles. Spread it out slow this time. No rush. Don't need to rush this one. Not like we rushed the other one, but there was cool. There was like a nice pattern I really liked in the last one. So let's see if we get something like that developed here. I can see, yeah, I see the outside forming. I like that part. So yeah, let's pour that edge off real fast. I don't want to pour every edge off. There's enough negative space on that side to keep that edge. But the top needs a little bit there up top. See that? Alright, that's nice. Let's bring her down a little. And I think she's looking exactly again where we want it. Oh, I like it. I kind of want to keep that bottom. Yeah, I want to keep the bottom. Let's see how much I want to keep that bottom. Because we're going to come back and stretch it just a little bit. There we go. I think I'm whispering for you guys. I don't know why. Let's see what we got going on this side. It's pretty nice. Okay. Let's keep this composition, guys. And here we go. Put her down. I guess we'll torch her. Put that painting up. And we'll get her going. Yeah. This is going to be nice. Alright, let's put the big torch. Alright, let's see what kind of cells we get developed here. Alright, pop these bubbles, make some cells. And we're going with the little guy too. Alright. Nice. Let's over. Let's go with the little guy too. Well, I think the white had the better cell development, tell you the truth. The titanium white was probably a little better. Maybe we can go with a different color besides the oxide black in there. And we're going for a close-up, and everybody have a good night. Later.